The internet thrives on video, but creating videos can be time-consuming and expensive. Enter AI video creation. This technology is a game changer. It allows anyone to create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. This means a huge opportunity to make money online. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about empowering it. AI tools handle the technical heavy lifting. This frees you to focus on the important stuff, your message and your audience. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or educator, AI video can transform your business. Imagine creating engaging product demos, explainer videos, or social media content in minutes, all without touching a camera or editing software. This guide will show you how. We'll cover everything from finding your niche to monetizing your videos. Get ready to unlock the power of AI video and start earning. The first step is finding your niche. This is crucial for attracting a targeted audience and maximizing your earnings. Think about your passions, skills, and what you enjoy talking about. Educational content is always in high demand. Can you explain complex topics in a simple, engaging way? Consider creating tutorials, how-to videos, or online courses. Entertainment is another massive market. Are you funny, creative, or a natural storyteller? Explore animation, comedy sketches, or short films. Product reviews are incredibly popular. Do you love trying new things and sharing your opinions? Create video reviews of gadgets, software, books, or anything else you're passionate about. Remember, the key is to choose a niche you're genuinely interested in. This will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Now, let's explore the tools that make AI video creation so powerful. There are many options available, but we'll focus on 3 popular and user-friendly platforms: Synthesia, Pictory, and Lumen 5. Synthesia allows you to create videos with AI-generated human presenters. Simply type in your script, choose from a library of avatars, and Synthesia takes care of the rest. This is perfect for explainer videos, presentations, and marketing materials. Pictory specializes in turning text content into engaging videos. Upload your blog post, article, or script, and Pictory will automatically add visuals, music, and transitions. It's a fantastic tool for repurposing existing content and boosting your social media presence. Lumen 5 is a powerful yet intuitive platform for creating professional-looking videos. It offers a vast library of templates, images, and music tracks. Lumen 5's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to customize your videos to match your brand. Experiment with these tools and find the one that best suits your needs and budget. Many offer free trials or freemium plans, allowing you to test the waters before committing. Before you hit record, it's crucial to have a solid script. This is the backbone of your video and will determine its success. Fortunately, scripting for AI video is simpler than you might think. Keep it concise. Attention spans are short online, so get to the point quickly. Focus on one key message per video and avoid overwhelming viewers with too much information. Use a conversational tone. Write as if you're talking to a friend. This will make your videos more engaging and relatable. Avoid jargon or technical terms that your audience might not understand. Structure your script logically. Start with a hook to grab attention, then introduce your topic and key points. End with a clear call to action, telling viewers what you want them to do next. Remember, your script is a roadmap for your video. Invest the time to get it right, and you'll be well on your way to creating compelling content. Section 5. Visuals that pop, bringing your AI videos to life. Visuals play a crucial role in video engagement. They help to illustrate your points, break up text, and keep viewers interested. AI video tools often come with built-in libraries of stock footage and images. However, don't be afraid to supplement these with your own visuals. This could include photos, screenshots, or even simple graphics. Choose visuals that are relevant to your content and visually appealing. High-quality images and videos will make your content appear more professional. Don't be afraid to experiment with different visual styles. You can use animation, screen recordings, or even live action footage. The key is to find what works best for your niche and brand. Remember, visuals are just as important as your script when it comes to creating engaging AI videos. Choose wisely, and your content will stand out from the crowd. Section 6. The power of voice AI voiceovers for every style. A great voiceover can make or break a video. It adds personality, emotion, and professionalism to your content. Many AI video platforms offer text-to-speech capabilities. These tools have come a long way and can now generate human-like voices in various languages and accents. Experiment with different voices to find one that suits your brand and target audience. Consider factors like gender, age, tone, and accent. If you're on a tight budget, you can also record your own voiceovers. This can add a personal touch to your videos and help you connect with viewers on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to add music and sound effects to your videos. These can help to set the mood, emphasize key points, and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. Section 7. Editing made easy, polishing your AI video masterpiece. Once you have your script, visuals, and voiceover, it's time to put it all together. The beauty of AI video tools is that they often include intuitive editing features. These tools allow you to easily trim and arrange your clips, add transitions, and incorporate text overlays. You can also adjust the pacing of your videos, adding or removing pauses for emphasis. Don't be afraid to experiment with different editing techniques. Watch other videos in your niche for inspiration and see how they use transitions, cuts, and other effects. The key is to create a cohesive and engaging flow that keeps viewers entertained. Remember, editing is an art, so take your time and find what works best for your content. Section 8. Monetizing your creations, turning views into profits. You've created amazing videos. Now it's time to make money. There are several ways to monetize your AI-generated content. YouTube ad revenue. If you're creating entertaining or informative content, YouTube can be a goldmine. Build a following and earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. Earn a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate links. Freelancing. Offer your AI video creation skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses are constantly searching for skilled video creators to produce marketing materials, explainer videos, and social media content. Selling video templates or courses. Package your expertise and create templates or courses teaching others how to create AI videos. This can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Remember, monetizing your videos takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and focus on providing value to your audience. The more engaging and valuable your content, the more successful you'll be. Section 9. Amplifying your reach, SEO and Promotion Strategies. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to get your videos seen. That's where SEO and promotion come in. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results on platforms like YouTube and Google. Leverage social media. Share your videos on all your social media channels, engage with your followers, respond to comments, and participate in relevant groups or communities. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote your content. This is a great way to reach new audiences and grow your following. Run paid advertising campaigns. Consider running paid ads on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to target specific demographics and interests. Remember, promoting your videos is an ongoing process. Consistently create high-quality content, optimize it for search, and leverage multiple promotion channels to maximize your reach and engagement. Section 10. Your AI video journey. Start creating and earning today. The world of AI video creation is at your fingertips. You don't need expensive equipment or years of experience to get started. With the right tools, a little creativity, and a willingness to learn, you can create professional quality videos and start earning money online. Embrace the power of AI, experiment with different tools and techniques, and most importantly, have fun with the process. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start your AI video journey today and unlock a world of opportunities. Subscribe for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you succeed in the exciting world of online video.